Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface DHT11 sensor with Raspberry Pi PICO board, and we will program in microPython. So let us get started step by step. We require some components like Raspberry Pi PICO board, DHT11 sensor, OLED display and breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is circuit diagram. You can see here I am using Raspberry Pi PICO board, DHT11 sensor and OLED display. OLED display is connected through I2C protocol. You can see this is SDA pin. GPIO 0 is SDA pin. So SDA pin is connected on SDA and GPIO 1 pin is SCL. It is connected on SCL pin of OLED display. Ground pin is connected to ground and VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volt output. Okay, and this is DHT11 sensor. Output of DHT11 sensor is connected to GPIO 15 and ground pin is connected to ground and VCC pin is connected to 5 volt output. So I hope you understood this. Now we will go to programming. So I will open Thonny IDE and I will connect the board. Click on stop button. Okay. First of all, we need to import DHT library. So I will save and Raspberry Pi PICO drive DHT.py. Okay, I have already DHT library, so I will simply copy and paste. Okay, save, and I will create another file, that is main. Save this in Raspberry Pi PICO drive main.py. Okay, I will create here program. So first of all, I will import pin class from machine library. So from machine import pin, and again I will import sleep class from time library. From time import sleep, and I will import DHT11 class from DHT library. From DHT import DHT11, and now I will create pin class. I am using 15 number for DHT sensor and it is as a input, and turn on internal pull up. So pin dot pull underscore up. Okay, and I will initialize the DHT sensor. So DHT11, it is a class, and DHT11 I am using pin comma none comma DHT11 assign true. Okay, now I will use while loop. It will be true because it is infinite. Okay, now I will read the temperature and humidity by using DHT11 dot read function, and it will be assigned in T and H variable. T will store temperature and H will store humidity. Now I will use if else statement. So if T is none, means if sensor is not connected, so it will print sensor error. Okay, otherwise means else it will print the data. First it will print temperature, and string st and degree Celsius, humidity plus str h plus %. Okay, now I will use delay, so sleep function for 1 second. Okay, now code is ready. I will simply run the program. Wow, it is printing temperature 31 degrees Celsius and humidity is 56%. So now I want to print this data like temperature and humidity on OLED display. So I have already created the code. Now I will simply copy and paste. And I will create another file. Stop this and save. File name is OLED underscore main.py. Okay, I will paste simply. So in this code I am using I2C and pin class. We no need ADC class, and I have initialized here I2C and OLED display. This is for DHT sensor, like previously I have explained already this line. And here it will print the temperature and humidity on the OLED display. Okay, so now code is ready. Now I will upload the program. There is problem in 50 number line, so okay, we need to import SSD1306 library. So simply created here new file, and I have already that file. I will simply copy and paste. Save. SSD1306.py. Okay. Now again I will press run button. Wow, you can see it is printing. Welcome to White Loop Robotech. Temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, humidity is 51. So friends, I hope you understood this. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.